Hey there, I'm Sari Kimbell. I'm the creator of Food Business Success, and I wanted to tell you about some incredibly fun things happening this summer. If you are working on your packaged product business, whether it's food or beverages or body care or pet treats, I want you to join me this summer for some really fun events. So first, got to celebrate the big book launch. I wrote a book. I have been wanting to write this book for probably a long time, but finally got serious about it in December, put it on the calendar, took longer than I thought. Surprise, surprise, as all businesses and products do. And I got it out into the world though. And the message is in here with step-by-step actionable guides, as well as really breaking down how to be successful in your business. And the last chapter is all about mindset and some productivity tools that have radically helped my clients be able to go so much faster. So grab your copy on Amazon. You can just search for key ingredients. I'll put the link below as well. And I am doing a super fun virtual launch party on July 6th. So if you go to keyingredientsbook.com, you'll find out the instructions there. You need to forward your receipt. And if you leave a review on Amazon, then you will be entered to win a 4-pack of one-on-one VIP coaching sessions with me. And it's a $997 value. That's how much it would cost you to go and pay for that 4-pack. And you will be entered to win just by leaving a review so that more people can find this awesome book, if I do say so myself. And coming up in June, we have the Create a Tasty Name workshop with Alexandra Watkins. She's the author of Hello, My Name is Awesome. And she is the founder of Eat My Words. She basically names products and brands for a living. She's super creative and has so much to share with us and has an incredible workshop that is totally free for you to register. Just go to the main website. You'll see the link in the right-hand corner, or you can go to foodbizsuccess.com/name it. Totally free to come on June 28th, or you can purchase the replay. And then in August, I am going to be putting together and hosting a workshop that is all about holiday ready. And this is not just like come and watch a video. This is going to be a 3-day strategic, tactical, get to work workshop. I'm going to teach, but you're also going to have materials and you are going to have a finished holiday plan by the end of this. So it will be a paid workshop because I want you to be fully in, fully committed to getting your holiday plan ready. No more last minute, hoping you did everything, waiting for materials and throwing stuff together, right? Like that is not the way to do a holiday plan. Holiday planning starts this summer. And you're going to commit to coming for 3 days, 3 sessions, and you are going to walk away feeling so good about the holidays because that is such an incredible time to make a lot of money in your business. And I want that for you. I want you to be set up, feeling confident and ready to take on the holidays. All right, so that is what's coming up this summer of 2023. Of course, anytime you're watching this, you can grab a copy of the new book, Key Ingredients. I would love for you to leave a review. We'll be doing lots more fun things over the summer around the book, but do come and join us. Get your copy of the book. Come join me on July 6th. There'll be some really fun giveaways all throughout the hour, as well as just an open Ask Me Anything. So you guys who have been watching videos here, come and ask me your questions, right? You get to talk with me one-on-one and help everybody out by asking the questions that you have been dying to ask. Thank you all for your support of the Food Business Success channel here on YouTube. I hope it's been helpful. I get so many comments about all the information I give away here for free. And I really appreciate you liking, subscribing, and commenting on the videos. It's so helpful for more people to find this help because I want you to have a successful business. That's what this book is all about. And that's what this channel is all about, the podcast. Go out and create a business that is profitable, that it involves your passion, that takes your passion to a new level. It's fun and sustainable and something that is going to last. All right. Have an amazing week. Thanks so much for joining me today.